From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Violet Skybor.
Good morning, everyone. Starting off with quiet but mild weather this morning. However, some rain is going to arrive this afternoon with nice mild temperatures continuing. A live look from our Cabby Tower Cam to start this morning. Seeing some light fog and cloudy skies, but we're not going to get that rain until this afternoon. So from our weather headlines, what we're talking about. Again, rain arrives this afternoon. It will be scattered and very light, so we're not going to expect too much heavy rain. But the combination of that with the mild temperatures today is going to melt a good chunk of snow. However, the chance for snow arrives again as we look towards Monday with some very windy conditions. So we could see some snow squalls develop with some hazardous travel conditions, especially during the evening. However, after Monday, it looks pretty quiet for the rest of the week, even into next weekend. It looks to stay dry for quite some time. Temperatures in the 30s for this morning, right around 35 degrees, but we warm up quickly into the 40s as we head towards this afternoon with, again, that rain arriving, which is why we're seeing rain instead of snow because of how warm it's going to be today. A live look from our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 radar. Quiet conditions for right now, but just to our south lies the rain along this warm front. That's going to move in, bringing the rain and the warmer temperatures for today. Then a second round of rain looks to arrive along this cold front. Now behind this cold front, we're going to have much colder air move into the region. That arrives on Monday, and that's why we're going to see some windy conditions and the chance for snow squalls. So what a snow squall is, it's a sudden onset of intense bursts of snow and wind, whiteout conditions, rapidly deteriorating road conditions because that snow comes down very quickly in a short duration. And they usually only last about less than 2 hours, sometimes even 15 minutes, but it can put a coating of snow on the ground and the roads very quickly. So you want to watch out for those hazardous travel conditions, again, Monday evening. Timing out your forecast, quiet for this morning with cloudy skies. Temperatures start in the 30s. Rain arrives this afternoon, but it will be very light and scattered, not expecting anything heavy. As we head into tonight, a second round of rain arrives, and this one will be a little bit heavier. So if you are heading out early tomorrow morning around 5 a.m., you'll be driving through that. The rain changes over to snow as we head into Monday, but the heaviest snow and the fastest winds, those gusty winds, arrive in the afternoon, and that's when we're going to see snow squalls right around noon until midnight. And they will be very localized, but if you're driving through one, it will be hazardous because of those whiteout conditions. How much rain we can expect for today? Only around 1/4 inch. Again, it's going to be fairly light. Snowfall, not a whole lot, but it will come down in a short period of time underneath each of those snow squalls tomorrow afternoon. 2 to 4 inches in the North Country and Southern Valleys, a trace of 2 inches in the Mohawk Valley. For today, cloudy skies, rain arrives this afternoon, highs in the lower 40s. The rain continues as we head into tonight with another mild night ahead, only dropping down to 40. Here's a look at the rest of your forecast. Cooler weather for the start of the week, snow and windy conditions with snow squalls for Monday, hazardous travel conditions for the evening commute, but the rest of the week looks quiet. You won't have any issues on the roads for your morning or evening commutes. And a temperature roller coaster ahead in the 20s and then back in the 40s multiple times this week. Here's your trivia question. So in March, we gained daylight the fastest. How much daylight are we expecting to get the entire month of March?
I'll go with 2 hours.
It's an hour and a half. You were close. But actually, the time change doesn't affect this because both the sunrise and the sunset get pushed an hour back. But still, we're going to be gaining a lot of daylight as spring arrives.
That's for sure. Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Violet, thanks.